But today, the market is completely versatile. The market has lots of competition. If you just go work for some 5 years for some company, when you just leave that, the company will be starting another project, the company will be starting another product. That is the reason why there are plenty of updates. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contour Podcast. You are listening to Con Science Show, episode number 207. And in this podcast, we'll discuss about how entrepreneurship has been changed in decades. Probably 2 decades back, entrepreneurship was completely different, and 4 decades back, entrepreneurship was completely different. I'll just tell you that and what today's entrepreneurship looks like. And let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contour Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. 2 decades back, 10 to 20 years back, entrepreneurship was completely different. Let's take the entrepreneurs who have been there for 10 years or 20 years back. Let's take 2 examples. One is Mark Zuckerberg and another one is Bill Gates, or you can take Jeff Bezos or someone else. What really happened? You just go to your school and then join Harvard or any other technical college, and when you're in college you just learn some programming because the environment on that college, that would be awesome. Join that college, work on some programming, and when you're doing that, what happens, you just come up with a great idea in Harvard. Let's take Mark Zuckerberg. So that idea sounds really awesome, and he just tried to program that. He just designed a product, and to be true, it's service, Facebook. Okay, so he just designed that, and he found some venture capitalists to get funding to that particular service. And once that's being done, what happened? He just expanded Facebook every single day, worked on that, hired some interns, and hired some employees to work on that, expanded it globally. That's a typical entrepreneurship some 20 years back or 10 years back. Again, the Microsoft or the Windows 95 or Windows 90 or DOS, whatever, MS DOS, all that has been developed in that particular passion. But some 40 years back, how was entrepreneurship? 40 years back, entrepreneurship was something like you just go work on some or the other company. Work on that particular company. How does that really work? I mean, how does that particular company works? You just take a look about it, study that company completely, and become an opponent of that company. So 40 years back, that is how things were. I know there are plenty of people in India who still advise that you're starting a startup. No, that's completely horrible. You don't have any experience. Go work for someone for some 5 years, 10 years, and then you can start your own startup. No, that's not the things that's happening today. I'll tell you what's happening today. So that was 40 years back, and you just start a company, and you'll get to know what are the things that are happening in a company. But today the market is completely versatile. The market has lots of competition. If you just go work for some 5 years for some company, when you just leave that, the company will be starting another project. The company will be starting another product. That is the reason why there are plenty of updates. If you just sell the same old OS, if you just sell the same old phone in 2005 and 2010, people will not buy that. Every year there are plenty of new technologies. The technology is advancing very rapidly today. So that technology will be outdated. What is the entrepreneurship today? How it can be done? Today, what you do in entrepreneurship is probably many people just drop out from their school, drop out from their college. What do? They would just start their first entrepreneurship venture, or they would start their entrepreneurship journey in Instagram page, in TikTok, in YouTube, in any other platform. It might be Twitter, Facebook, or including Twitch too. They'll be gaming, but that is the entrepreneurship that they are building. And every single day you just learn different things for your entrepreneurship journey. Every single day you just learn different things and put on that in what is it, your company. You just document that and re-record that and show it to people. This is what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm trying to every single day. This is how entrepreneurship has been changed today. And after that, what do you do? After getting some 50k followers, after getting some 100k followers, after getting some 1 million followers, what do? You just start launching a product that you always wanted to. The basic step is many people just launch with their, many people just try to monetize their own stuffs. Even that's an entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not just like Elon Musk. You just have to get a, what is it, make a rocket and go to Mars. No, that is not just entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship comes with all types and shapes. That is the thing that you need to understand. So this is the entrepreneurship that I'm talking about. This is the entrepreneurship that many people are trying to do today. Everyone wants to open an Instagram page and work on that every single day and increase that. So that is the entrepreneurship that people really want. And this is a good way too. You need to understand that. Let's say you just have a brand. You just sell this mouse. Sounds good. So sell this mouse and you are a startup. How do you really sell this mouse? In this digital era, you just post some Facebook ads. They come to your profile and look at you. And if you don't have enough followers, they feel like this brand is not trustworthy. There is no one who is believing this brand. If your brand has a minimum of 10k or 50k of followers or of subscribers, when you just sell your first product, trust me, boom, your product will be blasting. Your product will be skyrocketing. So that is the entrepreneurship many people are developing today. The entrepreneurship is being changed today. And that is how people are building trust every single day. And that is how people are earning 6 figures income today. So the affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and all that is a 6-figure business today. How is that really happening? By building trust. How do you really do that? Social media is a great platform for that, and you can do that too. And yeah, the next thing is people just try to check out your page or your company in Google. If you don't even have a Google page, if you don't even get the top search result, if your company doesn't get into the top search result in Google, they think that your company is something fake. That is how people are, and that is how the entire world is as of today. And I'm giving shout out to everyone who just comment on my videos, episodes, podcasts, Instagram posts, everywhere. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you could hit that red button, I'll be so happy. If you can hit the notification button next to that, you guys mean a world to me, and you could be the next person who will be featuring in my podcast. Until then, it's me Jana signing off. Meet you guys at my next podcast. Thank you guys. Meet you guys at the top. Bye bye.